you heard about this famous legend? Once upon a time, there was a local hero. Ang kwento ng matapang na haring si Liloy. During the 15th century, the Vietnamese armies were fighting against the Chinese soldiers.
Maraming foreigner. Pero konting Vietnamese lang, no? Mas marami ang foreigner kasi ang mga Vietnamese ay nasa probinsya. Ang crowded ngayon is mga probinsya. Swimmingan. But sa Hanoi, di ba? Hindi siya surprising. Ito naramdaman ko na siya. Kaya sabi ko sa'yo kanina, di ba? Random booking, tara, Hanoi. Kasi always go against the flow.
When one day, while sailing across the river, isang mahiwagang espada ang biglang lumutang.
And we've been to Hanoi like 5, 6 times. Tama. Basta several times. Pero I've never seen One Kiem Lake this near. But I've never seen it up close. And it's, I think, beautiful. It's beautiful.
Using this sword, Liloy was able to defeat the invaders and took the victory. Makalipas ang ilang araw, a magical turtle appeared to reclaim the golden sword.
Ang sinabi natin kanina sa every city has its color. Thai Nguyen is green, like may pagka green tea green. Medyo deeper green. Tapos, ang Dingding is light. Okay, light. Parang may pagka airy green. Ang Sapa is light blue. Parang closest to white. Ano ngayon, color of the year? Pantone or cloud white? Tapos, ang Sapa is light orange city. Sa cloud. Tribal ethnic. And then, ang Hanoi, ang color niya is yung mga kulay ng bahay na old houses na light yellow. Light yellow. Mustard yellow and light yellow. Ganun, cinematic setting.
One Kiem Lake is not just another top tourist destination. It's a symbol of peace, Vietnam's vibrant past. Dahil ang nakaraan ay kadugtong na kasalukuyan. So now, when you visit this place, I'm sure you'll never see it the same.